So we're going to unbox this stuff and see what is inside. This is a laptop I ordered. Laptop. Okay, is what we ordered. This is 15 inches. It's saying here, check content if seal is broken. So the seal is not broken. Okay, this is Acer, and this is Acer Aspire 5. Okay, there we go. Now, what we have here is the charger. Okay, this is the charger and part of the charger. This is the part of the charger. Three-pin charger cable. Okay, so this goes in here. Okay. There we go. Acer. Okay, and I want to see what I see. This is all the pieces. Okay, this is the instruction Acer. Okay, setup guide information. Okay. International Acer. This is warranty card in various languages. Highlight. Let's see. Full high definition. 1080 full high definition. Intel Core Aspire 5. Thin design, aluminum top cover, narrow bezel, ultra fast wireless speed, IPS wide viewing angle, HDMI port. This is the unboxing of this gear.